Spark plugs on these are very straightforward. We'll start by removing our engine cover. Just pull up. It's just held in with grommets. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. These are our ignition coils. The spark plugs are underneath. To take off our electrical connectors, we have these little gray tabs. I like using an angled pick. You can use a flat screwdriver as well, but we just want to pull out on those tabs. Just pull it back like that. We'll just do that to all of them. Pull it back. Then we got this one right here. Oh, and that little end broke. That's okay. Sometimes that happens. So if that does happen, we'll just fish this little lock all the way out. Let's see if we can get it to come all the way. There we go. And then that one just won't have a little locking tab. It's really no big deal because it still locks onto our ignition coil. So we have this little black tab. We push that in, so just pinch it together. We'll pull this off, and then we'll just do that to all of them. Pinch and pull. This one's kind of just in a weird spot. Pinch, pull, pinch, pull. Nice. Now we have 10mm bolts holding our coils down. I'll just twist our ignition coil and pull up. Now this last one, we'll just disconnect this electrical connector. Again, it's just a pinch. So pinch that, pull it back, and then we'll twist this and up. There we go. Now we'll want a 5/8 spark plug socket and a 6-inch extension. We'll put that in, crack it loose, buzz it out. Just buzz all of them out, crack them loose. Now we'll just take our new spark plug, feed it in our spark plug socket, and we'll put it in dry. No anti-seize, and we'll just hand thread it all the way down. We'll just do that to all of them. Just hand thread them until they bottom out, and then we'll torque them. Last one. The torque on these is between 11 and 18 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna go ahead for 15. Seems like a good number. Now this has a crush washer, so you should kind of feel it crush, and then it'll get tight. There's one. Nice. On our boots, we're gonna take just a little bit of dielectric grease, put it inside our boot. That acts as a lubricant so the boot doesn't stick to our spark plug. And then we'll do that, just put it in. Just do that to all of them, just a little, doesn't take a whole lot. I'm just giving it a light coat. Put on our bolts. Let's get some good threads started. Now these don't have to be too tight, just good and snug. If you're using an electric ratchet, just be careful not to do it too tight. Now we'll plug them back in. Then we'll lock our little gray tabs, just push them down. And then this one didn't have one, that's okay. We have this one last connector we'll plug in. All right, got our engine cover. We'll slide that on right over our grommets. We'll push down. And that's it. We'll clean up our mess and we're done. Good job. Thanks for watching. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comments, post down below. Work safe, have fun. See you on the next one.